Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will discuss how to create dynamic drop-down list. So let's start. First, select the range where you want to create drop-down list. Go to Data tab and click on Data Validation. Now choose List from the Allow drop-down. Type the item in the source box that you want to display in the drop-down list and separate them by comma and finally click OK. Now you can see a drop-down list has been created. We can also create drop-down list from the range. So for this, first select the range. First select the range where you want to place your drop-down. Go to Data, click on Data Validation. Choose List from the Allow drop-down. Click on Selection icon and select the source list and click OK button. Now our drop-down list has been created from the range. So these are two simple methods to create dynamic drop-down list. If you like this video, please share, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.